Hi guys and welcome back to InvestaWise kung saan pag-uusapan natin lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mo malaman tungkol sa investment. And for this 9th episode, ang pag-uusapan natin, how can you successfully beat the market? If you are a beginner in the stock market or nagsisimula ka palang mag-research bago ka pumasok and do your first trade, you might have already encountered yung idea of beating the market. And madami for sure out there na mag-aalok sa'yo ng techniques para magawa mo yon. Well, in the first place, paano ba natin masasabi na na-beat mo yung market? A lot of experts will tell you na kapag ang returns mo in your investment mas malaki kumpara dun sa gains ng market, then you have already beaten the market. Pero sa totoo lang, maraming problema sa idea na to. Bakit? Una, how will you get better gains than the market if ikaw at ang market umiikot sa isang market? Okay? As we always say, kadalasan iisa lang ang direksyon ng karamihan ng stocks sa stock market. Kasi una, most stock market investors follow the PSE index. So if down ang index, magsisiyalisan lahat yan and they will be starting to sell their stocks, which will further push down the stock prices. Or kung pataas naman, everyone wants to jump in. And ikalawa, most probably ang hawak mo ngayon or yung balak mo bilhin na stock kasama mismo dun sa index. So kung anong direksyon niya, dun ka din papunta. Ikalawa, may fees involved. Dehado ka na kagad doon kasi hindi mo man nababawi yung pinuhunan mo, nadadagdagan na kagad yung kailangan mong habulin na gains dahil sa fees, charges, and taxes na kailangan mong bayaran. So, let's say you had the same performance with the market. Pareho kayo na naging gains. Talo ka pa din kasi yung returns mo mababawasan ng mga fees na babayaran mo. And lastly, in considering your returns versus market's gains, kailangan mo isama sa equation mo yung mga previous losses mo. Unless you are an extremely lucky individual and ang una and every trade mo is you beat the market, no? And I think isa kang pinagpala, talentadong individual kung ganun. Pero kung normal at ordinaryong investor ka lang, hindi laging aayon ang market sa'yo. And you will always have a tendency to make the wrong calls. Normal yun, okay? So kung may mga previous losses ka, bago mo makuha yung market beating trade na meron ka, okay? Kailangan mo i-factor in yung mga losses na yon before you can say na natalo mo yung market na pinagtitripan mong talunin. Okay? Now, does this mean, sir, na imposible naming matalo ang market? Well, hindi naman. It is actually very possible to successfully and realistically beat the market if you follow these 3 important steps. Una, we need to redefine what market means. One of the biggest reasons why a lot of people can't realistically beat the market is because we are fighting the wrong enemy. Kapag sinabi natin beating the market, we should not be fighting against the stock market. Bakit? Kasi the market is just a market. Okay? Isang lugar kung saan we buy and sell stocks ng mga publicly traded companies. Huwag mong kumpetensyahan yung market kasi una sa lahat, it's just a platform, okay? We should not be fighting against the index either kasi yung index naman is just a measurement. Actually, kakampi mo dapat yung index kasi tinutulungan ka niya to understand the situation of the market by means of averaging the performance of the 30 of its publicly trading stocks o yung mga tinatawag nating blue chip stocks. Well, the real market that we need to beat is actually the public. Mga Pilipino, okay? Mula sa pinakamayayamang investor sa bansa hanggang sa pinaka-ordinaryong tao sa kalsada, yon ang kailangan mong i-beat. Bakit? Kasi kapag sinabi nating market, sakop nito lahat, participant man o hindi ng market trading. Paano nangyari yon? The public defines everything na nakakaapekto sa galaw ng stock market. Anong industry ang malakas ang demand? Ano yung mga produkto na willing maglabas ng pera yung mga tao? Ano yung spending habits ng karamihan? Ano yung demand na kailangan supplyan? Okay? Ano yung produkto na ayaw nang bilhin ng mga tao? Bakit? Okay? May issue ba? May public scare? May propaganda? May hype? Okay? The public influences the inflation rate. Tandaan natin yan. Which may affect interest rates. Which will definitely affect yung decision ng mga investors. Like, Will they have their money stay in the market or should they invest it sa bonds? So if you want to beat the market, you need to focus sa galaw ng tamang kalaban na kailangan nating bantayan, yung public. Okay? Anong epekto ng mga nangyayari sa mga Pilipino at sa bansa natin when it comes to the stock market, and how can we take advantage and make money out of this? Ikalawa, we also need to redefine the gains that we are trying to beat. As we have said a while ago, we should not be comparing our gains versus yung gains ng stock market index due to several factors like fees, charges, and yung mga past losses mo. What you need to beat is your past performance. Bakit? Because that's the only way to gauge kung ikaw ba ay nag-i-improve sa mga trades mo. For example, if you have gained 10% last time, target a better return on your next trade. And the best way to do that is to have a deep and wise understanding of all the trades that you do. You got your gains? Why? Was it a bad trade? Why? Okay? Anong technique ang ginawa mo? Tumama ba? Pumalpak? How can you improve it? Ano yung mga factors na nag-contribute dun sa naging performance ng past trade mo? Diba sabi ko over the past videos, invest like a businessman? So para ka lang din isang negosyante who always review their past performance to understand their business better and use that to strategize to make better gains. Huwag kang makipagkompetensya sa gains ng PSE Index. Kasi una, di mo naman gains yun eh. Ikalawa, wala kang control doon. At ikatlo, for sure wala kang idea how the hell the market did that. You need to focus on the factors that you had control. Mga factors na ikaw mismo ang nag-assemble to come up with the trading decision. Kasi that's what you are very familiar of and you can learn and harness your techniques. And lastly, we need to redefine your goals. Seriously, you need to stop treating this stock investing thing as a game. Investing is not a contest. Hindi to pagalingan ng trades, palakihan ng gains, and we don't need to prove anything against anyone nor compete to anybody. Tandaan, kapag tinreat mo yan na isang laro, sa isang laro, laging may dalawang kampo. Yung panalo at saka yung talo. Kaya laging 50-50 ang chance mo. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But if you are going to treat this as an investing activity, you have no other goal but to make profits. That's it. Walang investor who invests their money out of pure chances. And at the end of the day, if you were able to make a very high return out of a trade, which is way higher than the market's performance, okay, sige, you can brag all day, trophy mo yan, and you can post that on social media. But the sustainability and yung long-term benefit, I don't think so. Unless and until you stop competing and focus on how to truly build wealth, you will never be able to beat the market in a successful and realistic way. So ayun, I hope I was able to give you a very fair and new idea, okay, on how to interpret that particular thing na beating the market. Possible siya, okay? Pero just keep in mind, iba ang definition ng market and hindi ito contest. Okay, our goal here in investing in the stock market is for us to have a sustainable income, okay, passive income na makapaghanda sa atin sa future, okay, sa mga gusto nating mangyari sa mga susunod na taon na lalo na sa mga panahon na hindi na natin kayang magtrabaho. So we need to build wealth. You don't need to beat anyone. Kasi wala namang kwenta if you beat everybody eh. Okay? Ang importante lang dito, you beat all the uncertainties of the future, you beat yung kahirapan, okay? And you beat the idea na nakadepende ka sa pagtatrabaho mo lang, okay, in trying to secure what you have in the future. Okay? So, I hope I was able to impart a good amount of knowledge, and isa naman sa mga goal natin dito sa ating channel is to influence everyone's thinking. We want to change everyone's thinking, and so therefore, kaya kami nagbibigay ng mga ganitong video. So, maraming salamat po for joining us in this episode. And syempre, mag-shoutout tayo dito ng some of the people who gave some comments sa ating mga videos, which is napakalaki ng aming pasasalamat. Salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. We have here Letty Decaser, sabi niya, topics are interesting and applicable sa real life. I am enjoying watching. Keep uploading videos like this. Well, we will keep on uploading videos like this, lalo na para sa mga katulad ninyo, okay? Lalo na si Miss Letty, no? Who keeps on watching our episodes and appreciate what we do. Okay, kasi sabi nga nung mga nakarang episode, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, anong company ka? Bakit mo ginagawa to? Well, it's just our way to help out people, no? To have a change in their thinking when it comes to personal finance. Yun naman po ang gusto nating mangyari dito. And the more people who appreciate our craft, the more people na kaalam namin na nakikinabang sa aming trabaho, it inspires us to do more and to reach out to more people. So maraming salamat po for extending your support. We also have here Juan Carlo Osorio. Actually, isa to sa mga tumulong sa atin sa mga nakarang episode who gave his idea about how to choose your financial advisor. Sabi niya, well explained, sir. Actually, sir, VUL is still an insurance product with an add-on investment. It's not a perfect product, but I believe lahat naman ay may pros and cons. More power, sir. So maraming salamat po for giving your insight, Mr. Juan Carlo. Okay? So thank you very much for giving your insights. And actually, I encourage people who are also advocate, okay, ng ating personal finance and financial literacy. Put your comments on all the videos that we have, okay? Regardless if you agree or not to what we say, okay, on our videos, share it, okay, sa inyong comments. And a lot of people who are watching our videos will also be educated by your opinion. So, lahat ng mga educational material na aram ninyo, opinion ninyo, correct as if we're wrong, support as if we're right, okay? So, we would love to know all of them. Kasi kahit kami mismo natututo, we don't say na kami alam namin lahat, okay? So, show your support not only to the Money Diary channel but also to the financial literacy advocacy that we have, okay? By, of course, clicking like, okay? If you like this video, share this to all of your friends, put your comments, suggestions, anything, okay? You can preach, you can teach people, okay? In our comment section, put them now, okay? Use this as your platform. Hindi lang po sa amin to, hindi namin solo ang channel na to, okay? So we encourage everyone to put your comments, educate other people, okay? As we are trying to do it as well. And of course, huwag natin kakalimutan to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para na-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga episodes na lalabas natin dito sa The Money Diary channel. So, maraming salamat po for taking your time in watching this video. I hope I was able to give a good idea, okay, and influence you on your decisions, lalo na kung ikaw ay interesado when it comes to stock trading. So, thank you very much for watching this episode 9 of InvestaWise. I'm Migs. I'm your cash flow management coach, and always remember, it pays to be wealth-wise.